Here we have this problem on the SIS 2015 Ram. The screen on the radio turns off when you move the center seat. We have to turn this and disassemble the whole thing. The seat, the back of the seat, the center lid, the connection to this module in order to get access to the harness. The harness gets broken exactly on this place. The wires, after moving so many times up and down, specifically this black wire is totally broken. When you turn it like this, it turns on and turns off. That's the problem. We have to fix several other wires that are already coming to the same problem. Problem solved. Mystery resolved.